Hey guys, this is just an update of, sorry about that, I-10. So this is West Beasy. Oh, so this is West Beasy. My bad. Wide loads. No, we're not wide loads, so it is narrowed off. This is further southbound of 162. I was about to shoot, what was that? I guess. What is that? Well, we're about to find out of how this is going to look when it narrows out. So, Love's Travel Center, okay. So, alright, so it looks to narrow it out. I'll just leave this on like this. I'm just gonna leave this on and see what happened. What happened? I'm just gonna do the construction. No detour, no nothing. This is what happens when you don't detour. I'll show you the consequence. Or what have you. Alright, New Mexico, leaving New Mexico. Oop. Oops. There we go. Oop. Sorry about that. Oop. Alright, there we go. There we go. Okay. So this is... Usually I did no. This is the what happened, the non-detour route. I guess that's what you want to call it. Oop. Am I still sideways? All right. Anyway. Okay. Chaos. Alright. What happens? Alright. Mile marker 1. El Paso, 18 miles out. Alright. So this is what happens. This is how it looks. I bet you it's going to have us off-ramp. Bet you anything this is going to be an off-ramp. Yeah. Oh yeah. So this shit really narrows. Oops, my bad. Alright, so I'm back. This shit really narrows. Okay. Now I looked on Gulag Maps and the supposed end date is actually May. Now, most likely, conservatively speaking, I'm gonna predict Memorial Day at that point. Look. I decided to take this to show you this is what it looks like. Not taking the detour, so the non-detour route. Alright. At some point, I think, the end construction sign will appear. So, yeah. At some point, it will be closed. So. Come on in. Alright. Okay. Letting him in. You should know that I'm letting him in. Okay. What's it say here? Road work ahead. Oh, those are just the subsequent exits. Exit 5, 6, and 8. I don't know if there's a 7, but... Oops. long narrow lanes, wide load. This is why there are service roads for wide loads. Service roads for wide loads. Okay, I guess that rhymes. Usually zones like this, the speed limit is going to be relatively 45 miles an hour. Depending upon traffic, this is Friday night, so there's always going to, well, unless you're driving around midnight or what have you, yeah, it's going to be relatively busy day. Yeah, I think they did this at the state border, this construction. So it's going to be mile marker 1. All right. I'm just going to go off mile markers. So the speed limit here is 45. some point some area was going to be closed. No? I don't get it. It's the electronic billboard says unless they were said westbound. billboard here, 45 for the speed limit. All right, let's see. It's Cushing. All right, merging ramp. All right, so these are the on-rampers. I guess the electronic billboard isn't up to date. Don't mind that, that's just a lane buzzer. It's gonna pick up the lane changes here. Alright. Electronic billboard out of date. Huh. Arrows and cones are looks have disappeared. Huh. I wonder if that's it. That's all she wrote. No visibility. Blowing dust. And road work. Alright. Here we are at exit 13. Alright. Exit 13, that is the end of the road work. So that's it, everyone. Mile marker 1 through 13. End of construction. The construction work set to I like to say Memorial Day. So that is what it's like to not take the detour on a Friday night.